experience new life. A world full of color stretches the sky if we wake up our hearts and see it all. Experience
Jessie, ano siya, lagi lang yan nakakulong sa kwarto. Gusto niya lang matulog yung matulog. Nasipag naman siya mag-aral at lalong higit, gusto niya, ano yan, sporty yan.
discover it all.
Okay, Jessie, happy birthday. Magtapos ka muna ng pag-aaral. Pag nakatapos ka ng pag-aaral, maghanap ng trabaho. Pag nakahanap ng trabaho, doon muna.
Happy birthday, Jessie! We love you!
Discover the new, open our eyes. This is where our dreams come alive. I see the light, I hear the call. Discover it all. Discover.
Salamat kahit bumabagyo ay alam ko na binigyan nyo ng time, ng effort si Jessie. Kaya maraming salamat. Enjoy natin tong moment na to. At thank you.
Breathless in awe, we stand amazed in all of this goodness that has been made. Oh, we lift up our hands and see it all. Just stop and listen and feel again. It's time to breathe, it's time to begin. Oh, and this is the moment, here and now.
The moment we've all been waiting for. Let's welcome Miss Jessie Crisostomo. Come on, a big hand, please.
Discover the new, open our eyes. This is where our dreams come alive. I see the light, I hear the call.
So first of all, I am so proud of you. You're finally 18. Marami-rami ka nang napagdaanan. Pero you're still here, standing strong and full of grace.
Discover.
Welcome to adulthood. So this gift isn't just a gift, it symbolizes your independence, confidence, and all of the adventures that you will go on through to this adulthood.
Discover it all. Discover it all. Dreams come alive. Discover. Discover it all.
Ang prayer ko sa'yo, yung confidence na nanggagaling kay Lord ay ibigay niya sa'yo. Kasi alam kong magaling ka, matalino ka, at alam kong malaya yung mararating mo.
Yang bills na yan ay sumisimbolo yan sa ano, your financial stability and of course yung independence.
All I wanna hear you say is that we never this place. But if we ever fade away, I hope you know I'm feeling so high when we're together. Yeah, let's make it last forever. We'll stay young, stay young.
Igalang mo lang din at mahalin yung magulang mo, mga kapatid mo, kamag-anak mo. Kasi silang lang din ang susuporta at alam na kung anong gagawin at gagabay para sa iyo. Happy birthday.
Yan, Jessie. Happy birthday, Jessie. And I just want you to know that hanggang Christmas na yung pa-birthday.
Birthday! Welcome to Legality Stage of Life. Pero, kahit nasa legal age ka na, pwede mo nang gawin yung mga gusto mo. Wala nang pipigil sa'yo, but in a nice way. Of course, with the guidance of your parents. And submit all to God, whatever your dreams, and God will surely direct you. God bless!
And I gotta gotta say, I'm feeling so high when we're together. Yeah, let's make it last forever. We'll stay young, stay young.
Happy birthday. Yun lang, nasabi ng lahat nila eh.
Others, I wanna stay young, stay young. I wanna stay young.
10,000 pesos. So yun sabi ni Tita Rock. Sabi ni Tita Rock, bilhin mo daw lahat ng gusto mo and gamitin mo yan sa mabuti. Gamitin mo especially sa pag-aaral mo and hindi man daw siya nakapunta eh, lagi mo daw tatandaan na love ka niya.
I see the fire in your eyes, and I gotta say, I'm feeling so high when we're together. Yeah, let's make it last forever. We'll stay.
Happy 18th birthday. Sana hindi mo malimutan itong ginawa namin para sa iyo. Ayan, I love you. At para po sa lahat ng aming mga nandito ngayon, maraming salamat.
Happy birthday. Alam mo yung tama at mali. Yun lang yun.